Ali was a quiet boy who lived in a small town. He was smart, kind, and hardworking, but he had one big problem: fear. Ali was afraid of speaking in front of people. Even in class, when he knew the answer, he stayed silent. One day, his teacher announced a school speech competition. Every student had to participate. When Ali heard this, his heart started beating fast. He thought, "I will fail. Everyone will laugh at me." That night, Ali couldn't sleep. He sat by his window and whispered, "Why am I so scared?" Suddenly, he imagined his fear sitting beside him like a shadow. Ali spoke to it. "Why do you stop me?" The fear replied, "I am here to protect you from failure." Ali thought for a moment and said, "But you are also stopping me from success." The next day, Ali decided to face his fear. He practiced his speech again and again. His hands still shook, but he did not give up. On the day of the competition, Ali stood on the stage. His voice was weak at first, but slowly he became stronger. He looked at the audience and continued. When he finished, the hall was silent. Then everyone started clapping. Ali did not win first prize, but he won something more important: confidence. From that day, he learned that fear becomes smaller when you face it. Moral: fear disappears when courage speaks. Subscribe for more interesting stories.